Hi there everybody, this is my first math video. This is Amelia, by the way, for those of you in 802, 803, and 804. I'm not really sure how Sean makes all of his videos, layers upon layers, so what we see here is only 2 layers of a video, and I'm going to try to walk you through everything that I did here to solve question 13 in the second test in your green practice books, and then as my videos go on, my style may evolve and I may become a little bit technically better. So question 13 shows you a picture of a rectangle, and it says, the figure shows the top of William's dining room table. And all you're given is this big rectangle with no measurements. The rest of the question says the length of the table is 8 feet. The width of the dining table is 1 less than 1/2 of its length. What is the area of the dining room table? Now, this problem seems really tricky because it doesn't look like we have any of the dimensions. So I just start with a simple formula. The formula for area of a rectangle is area equals length times width, or A equals LW. So fortunately for us, we go down here to the question and it says the length of the table is 8 feet. Wow, we have one of the 2 dimensions. So I just drew everything involving the length in green here. And we know that the length is 8 feet. So I went back up and I put 8 in my equation up here. So we just have to figure out what the width is. Now, it says that the width of the dining room table is 1 less than 1/2 of its length. That sounds really tricky. This is just a verbal expression, or equation I should say, that represents the width. We have to make this verbal phrase into a number phrase. So it says that the width is 1 less than 1/2 of the length. Well, we know what the length is. The length is 8, so let's draw that out in a numerical expression or equation. W, width, equals 1/2 of the length and 1 less than that. So I know that W equals 1/2 of 8 minus 1. W equals 4, which is half of 8, or 8 divided by 2 is 4, and minus 1, so that means that W equals 3. Now, what do I do with this information? Well, this is just the second dimension of the 2, so I put it back up here in the original equation. Area equals 8 times 3, or length times width, 8 times 3, and 8 times 3 is 24. So to answer the question, what is the area of the dining room table? The area of the dining room table is 24 feet squared. And I think you'll find that answer in your book. Good luck!